So excuse me, I snuck down here this morning. Dogs are outside barking. There's a freaking coyote in the backyard. So the coyote coyote was running around out here, let the dogs out and chase him. That was the first. I haven't seen a coyote in my backyard ever. But watched them chase him all the way from one side of the yard to the other, and then he finally climbed under the fence over here. So since I'm up early, I'm gonna make me one of those man foo foo drinks. Got the cool machine, got all the cool stuff. Let me grab the rest. We're gonna make one of these foo foo coffees. So you definitely need this stuff. It's called half and half. I'm gonna put it in a cup, warm it up, and we're gonna whip it up. It'll be pretty cool. It does really add to the taste of the coffee. It really makes it foo foo. Okay, so this espresso, I think those cups go in here. You get little perforation holes. I think they go in here. And then some roast. And then I think I saw them do this at the, I don't know how to use this machine. I've never used it. They stick this in here like this. Oh, nope, that doesn't work. It goes up in here somewhere. There it goes. And then it would click. Like that. And then you hit play. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, never mind. See, that's the bad start on the foo foo. I'm gonna go with the easy stuff. Yep, that's right. One of these puppies. Put that right inside of here. And we'll start with this. Alright, so cute little fox. Hello, fall. It's kind of fitting considering Wile E. Coyote was in my yard. So you dump this in here. Try not to make a mess. Oh, I always make a mess. God bless it. I don't know how I do that. Put that right there. Close that puppy back. And hit the magic. Go. Go. Now the next thing you gotta do is add these foo foo items. Get this white chocolate flavor. And then we got this classic hazelnut. Oh, it's sugar free? Man, I didn't even know that. Alright, so you're gonna take both of them and you're gonna flavor it up. Now I got some of that half and half in here. I'm gonna warm that up. And then I'm gonna use this fun little tool. Check this out. See that? Ooh yeah, we're gonna get in there and stir her up. Now this is probably the most foo-foo about it. Get this puppy here. You get that warmed up milk, see it starts to foam that stuff up. That's where it's at. That's the good stuff right there, that foam. See that foam? You wanna make sure you foam her up. Now I don't follow any kind of directions on putting a spoon or a teaspoon, or I just go like this, right? While it's running. See if I can get it in here. Just start oozing it in, oozing it. Yeah, there we go. Get some of that chocolate flavor going on. Yeah, let's get the foam and get the foaming some more. Yeah, look at that thing go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's get over here and stir up all that flavoring I put in here. Oh yeah, we about to have a foo foo drink. Straight up Starbucks style. Yeah. One more time, probably gonna mess that up. Ooh, it adds a little brown to it. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, so pretty. There we go. Foam it up, foam it up. Okay. So now we got it good and foamed up. Now watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that art. Bam. Now you gotta let all that foam drizzle down in there. Especially that white foam. I could have done a better job. Get more of that white foam. See, I'm always making messes. Look at that. Give me a foo foo drink. And then look, we add a little sour. You can write your name in it. Good morning, guys.